Hi everyone, my name's Carol and this is Carol's Art Room, as you can see, and I'm going to do an experiment today. I'm testing a new cell activator. So I'm doing a bloom with blowing with a straw and blowing with a hairdryer. Two comparisons with a new cell activator. So stick around and you'll see what I mean. Hi everybody. So today I'm doing an experiment. This is experimental purposes only. I'm going to try a new cell activator. For anybody that can't get Aussie Floetrol, this might be a good alternative. Just getting out these bubbles. Okay, so I'm just gonna put any random colors down. This is a peridot metallic green. What should I do next? I'm gonna put some yellow next. And then red and then pink. This is a rose shimmer Deco Art metallic. Here's my cell activator. I usually use a straw. Let's see if I can get these air bubbles out. All right, so I'm gonna blow this. There. Well, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. I want to try this with a hairdryer too. Let's see if this will come back to the center. There's pink and red in those ones, and yellow and red in those ones, green and, oh my goodness, this is awesome. I just thought I'd Let's see if I could get any more coming out. I guess I could blow that out there, but I'll leave it for now. I wanted it to come back into the center a little more, but I might wreck this. All right, I'm gonna leave it because I'm gonna wreck it. I think I'm gonna try and spin it. I'm trying to keep this from moving. All right, you know what? Anyway, it works, so I'm so glad about that. Now I think I'm gonna scrape this. Maybe I'll scrape this one. I'll do the same, and I'll blow it with my hairdryer. That way I'll have two tests in one. But I'm gonna try and save some of this white paint. I'm gonna just scrape this off. I'll be right back. All right, let's put some of this back on, eh? All right, so let's add a little more paint. It's no big deal if there's a color in there. There goes my shower cap. All right. Same colors. This time I think I'll put red on the bottom. Lost my spoon. Okay, so I'm going to put this down and then I'm going to blow it. Amazing what your finger will do. Okay, here we go. Holy moly, look at that. So awesome. conserve my Australian Floetrol, and I can use this. I'm going to let this middle settle. Kind of one-sided here, but okay, I'm going to spin this. Whoa. I don't know if I can get the rest off. I'm going to have to add a little more paint next time so that I don't have to spin so much. I think I might just leave it. I'll try one more. That one's off. I think I'm gonna just leave it. I think it's awesome. Look how pretty that is. Okay, well this one I'll have, I won't have a picture of the other one because I scraped it. One worked as a tilt and one worked as a spun. One worked with a blow of a straw and probably your breath, and the other worked with a hairdryer. All right. Thanks for watching my experiment, and yes, I'll let you know the ingredients in the video, under the video. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, here's the dried bloom. My new cell activator. Dried awesome. Look at those pretty cells. Look at the pink inside that green. So nice. The gold coming through. There's the yellow. Yeah, the edges are yellow. That's so cool. There you go. There's my dried result of my new blue cell activator in my bloom. So yeah, come back to my art room and we'll do some more. Bye-bye.